How to solve manage on screen keyboard problem. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to fix manage on screen keyboard problem. There are a couple of reasons why you might be facing this issue. Maybe your default keyboard got disabled accidentally. There's a temporary glitch or an update caused some conflicts. So, to fix manage on screen keyboard problem, first, open the settings on your phone. Scroll down till you see apps, then tap on it. This might be called applications or something similar on some devices. Then tap on Manage app. In the search box above, search for Gboard. If it doesn't show up, simply tap on Show All Results. Tap on it to open its app settings. Look for a button or option called Force Stop. This will completely close the Gboard app. Tap on it, then tap OK to confirm. Now, look for a section called Storage or Storage and Cache. Tap on that to view Gboard storage options. Find section called Clear Data in the bottom. Tap on it, a pop-up might appear. Choose Clear Cache, then tap OK to confirm. Now tap Clear All Data, then tap OK to confirm. Now go back to your home page. Finally, restart your device completely. Restarting Gboard and clearing its cache and data will have your keyboard working smoothly again. That's all you need to fix manage on screen keyboard problem. Hopefully these steps help you fix manage on screen keyboard problem. And this is how to fix manage on screen keyboard problem. If you have any questions about screen keyboard problem, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.